Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up shipping rates on Shopify on Shopify dropshipping. Like if you are doing dropshipping on Shopify, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can set up shipping rates. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to go to your own Shopify store. Just log in into your Shopify store. That's the first step. And then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets. Okay, so after, guys, you click on markets, then what you guys need to do next, you want to click here. It says add the market. Just click on add the market, and you want to add here all the markets you ship to. For example, the countries you like to ship to. So for example, I would like to ship to all countries in Asia. Okay, and I'm going to ship to all countries in Europe. Okay, so I'm going to select here Europe, and all the countries will be selected in Europe. I'm going to click on add the market. Of course, you will have to name this market. Okay, so I'm going to name it, for example, countries I like to ship to. Okay, after that, you want to click on add the market, click on save. Okay, so after that, after you add, guys, the market, just give it a few seconds. All right, now what you guys need to do next is, as you can see, if you click here on inactive, if you click on active, it will not be able, you will not be able to activate it because these countries are missing shipping rates. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to click on shipping and delivery. Okay, so after, guys, you click on shipping and delivery, you want to click on a new profile here in the top. Here you will have to select the products. I'm going to select the products. For example, I'm going to reload this page. It seems like it's taking so long. Okay, so here click on new profile. Just give it a few seconds. Here, when I name this, customers will not see these products. Like for example, new market. For example, just name this market. You want to add here your products. Click on select displayed items. Click done, and then you want to scroll down a little bit, and then click on add shipping zone. Here you want to select the countries. I selected Asia, okay, and I selected Europe. Do that again here. I'm going to find Europe. Okay, Europe and Asia, like I did. Do it again here and name the zone countries. Name this zone whatever I like to ship to. Click on done. And here you want to add the rate. You want to add the rate here. Okay, so at the custom rate name is going to be standard. So type here standard, and the price here, you can offer free shipping if you want. I always go with the free shipping because it really helps like drive more sales. Because if you add here the shipping cost, like customers will say, okay, this is too expensive. You can just add the shipping price in the product price. That's exactly what I do. If the product costs like $20 and the shipping cost is $30, I just price the product $30 so that customers will think they are getting free shipping. It's just a marketing strategy. So I'm going to add, for example, $10. This is just an example. Yeah, you can also add here. If you click here on if you click here, I'm going to go back. Okay, if you click here on add the like conditional pricing, you can also add here the maximum weight. Like if you have like multiple products on your Shopify store, the minimum weight and the maximum weight. Okay, so based on order price, you can also like set this based on the order price, but I don't like to do this. I'm just going to add here $10 as the shipping price. Okay, click on save. And that's exactly, guys, how you can add the shipping country code must be at least one province associated. So that's exactly, guys, how you can set up shipping on Shopify for drop shipping. That's exactly how you can do this. It's very simple. So after that, you want to click on save in the top right, and that's exactly, guys, how you can set up shipping. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. In case you have any questions or anything you don't understand, I reply to everyone. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and have a good day. Drop a like and see you guys.